Okay, this one's cool. Okay, it says, hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having fun, staying safe, and I know in India the cases have been rising. Here in the US also, it's the vaccination has started. In fact, I have also got an appointment to get vaccinated next week that I'll tell you all. In the morning, I woke up and the first thought came to my mind was that when is this going to get over? In fact, I was also planning to go to India, but with all of this, with the travel restrictions, this and that, it becomes very tricky to actually fly abroad, so like go out of the country. So please, it's a sincere request. Please ask your loved ones, near and dear ones, to get vaccinated and stay safe. All right, so it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I was doing some work. I was up early at 8 o'clock. I was getting some work done, and right now I have just taken my cup of hot water with lemon and honey today. So I just felt like having it. So I'm having a cup of water with lemon and honey. Today is Sunday. Usually, when Monday begins, I like to, do some work which is planned to be done on Monday on a Sunday. What happens is you get that good feeling that some of the things you have already accomplished. That is something which is very important for me. So you might have seen that at the start of the blog I say that accomplishments. So that is again one another thing which I feel very good about, that when you wake up in the morning, I usually try to plan the entire week that okay, in this week I have to get done with these things, but something or the other, it should not be work related. It may or may not be in fact work related. It could be anything that you want to finish today. Like it could also be that I have to get done with my laundry. Okay, laundry as in I have to go out and to laundromat and get it done. So it's a task, okay, which I have to complete. And then afterwards I'll obviously take a bath. I need to take a head bath today. And then I plan to do a work, and I might also go out and take a walk today, instead of working out at home, because it seems like a good day. I hope it doesn't rain because I can see clouds there. If you would want to see, this is the view. I can see some clouds, so I don't want them to rain, but let's see how it goes. So yesterday you guys saw that I was making the dosa batter like from home, so it's already like I kept it to ferment. Now let's see how is it. So if you can see this is how it looks. I can smell it. The smell is good, interesting. So I kept it overnight. I think it's going to give me some good dosas. So let's try them out. So my dosas are coming really nice. Okay, I just think that I have added more of urad dal. This is the first time that I have prepared the batter by myself. Now let's see how the next one comes. So what I've done is I had this dry garlic chutney. So I've just put in oil and I've just spread across to give it like a better taste. I think from next time, but usually they say that when you take batter from outside they add more of rice, but I think I added like equal quantities, but they are coming like really crisp. So I'm going to show you one. Flip it, what I do right now is just flip it on the other side, and I've made this dry garlic and chili chutney with oil, which I just put it here, like spread it here very little, so that when you eat it you have like a good garlic flavor. This is like just an addition of my version. As you all know, I like to do some my taste buds always want me to experiment something, so that is why I do this. So I've ordered something from Amazon. So let's see what it is. I think I know what it is, but yeah, let's open it up. Oh wow. So I'll show you this. This is a journal that I got, but let's open the other packages too and then I'll show you together. Yay, 2 more journals. Okay, this one's cool. Okay, it says stay positive, work hard and make it happen. And this one says always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem and smarter than you think. I'll just give you guys a quick look of this. Where did the other one go? Yep, here. Let me just scratch open it up so that you can see the... Okay, so this says your heart is free, have the courage to follow it. Please do, okay? Again. Your heart is free, have the courage to follow it. Stay positive, work hard and make it happen. Always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem and smarter than you think. Cool, right? So I wanted to actually, I was using like any of the diaries which are there and I was writing some stuff, whatever I felt like writing. So I thought that, it was kind of a journaling, but I was writing in any book that I found. So I thought that, why not get some journals, some cool motivation journals. So I'm planning to, not planning like it's not, but whatever I was writing before in random notebooks, I thought that I'll buy some journals and I'll start writing it in one of the books. In fact, this one is like, it's a pretty long book and it's my pretty favorite. So on every page there is a quote written. So it says there are no limits to what you can achieve if you believe in your dreams. So there are, let your dreams be as big as your desire to succeed. So I get motivated. If you guys have not seen my being a strong vibe person and video, so just see that, because a lot of people have already complimented me on that they really love that video. So it's only you who is responsible for getting yourself motivated to do things. So it's very important to have a positive attitude in life. And whatever happens in life, I know that it's very easy to say, and there are ups and downs and things go bad and things like that. But if you are positive and if you believe in all the good things, so good things are going to happen. But I'm a very aesthetic person. If I see the good things, I feel like creating my own little corners. If you guys haven't watched my home tour video, so watch that as well. I don't know whether you guys feel or not. So whenever I am during weekends, if I'm speaking to somebody, and by this time you guys would have understood that I have the habit of talking a lot, but there are so many people I'm connected to, and once you call, so you're not calling them daily, once in a month, sometimes you call them, so you're minimum speaking for 30 minutes or so, and the time passes away. It's almost 10 p.m. right now. The day has ended. I sat with my laptop to do some personal pending work since a long time, and I think I sat somewhere around 7:30 or so, and it was 9:30. So 2 hours went by like this, and right now, since you guys know I made dosa, but I don't feel like having dosa right now. I kept it for morning breakfast. So right now what I'm having is, I ordered biryani. So this is my Uber parcel that has come. Let me check how it is. So my friend recommended this nice place. Usually you don't get good Indian food around, but you get selected places, selected food that is good. So I was craving biryani. My friend recommended, so I ordered that. Let's see how it looks. This looks interesting. I've ordered vegetable biryani. I know I'm a vegetarian. Vegetable biryani kuch hota nahi hai, but mere liye to bahut kuch hota hai. And they've given this raita also. Looks very interesting. Let's have this. So my biryani is here and ready. Looks interesting, right? I've never had broccolis in biryani, but they've added mushrooms, broccolis. It's full of veggies, so that is something which I love about it. And here I also have Netflix. So Netflix and biryani on a Sunday evening. That's my plan. I'm watching this new movie which is called Ruhi. I think it's a horror comedy. That is something that I'm watching with this amazing biryani and wonderful raita. Alright, so good night everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm about to doze off right now. I think it's quite late already. I plan to wake up a little early morning tomorrow. It's 12:45 right now. And I plan to wake up somewhere around 8 but at the max, like not early, but yeah, 8. I have a meeting at 10:30, but before that I have some personal work and some work related work to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did enjoy, so please hit the bell icon there, click the like button, comment and let me know that what all things you want me to include in the future vlogs, and I will do that. Also, I hope you guys are enjoying my daily vlog series. If you want me to do something different, something fun, do let me know, and do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.